wins. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. And he helps himself to a 6. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That's 6. He picked up the length very early. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. He is an outstanding touch here. He is dealing in boundaries. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. They're packed one side, making the batsmen go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. No ball called. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. That's 4. Didn't time that well, but definitely will be pleased with the result. Pacer introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is a very quick signal taken. That is huge. No ball called by the umpire. That is huge beat. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. There is a fielder at cover. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. That is a very good shot. Excellent placement and timing. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful six. Can you do it again? That's a no ball and the batsman gets a free hit. Overstepping on the last one, and that will be a free hit. White ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. Hit on the body, it's a nasty delivery. Looks like there will be a lot of slow balls coming. He has gone for a loose stroke. Has to walk back to the pavilion. Outside the inner circle. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Beautifully bowled and well left. The field has been opened and the batsman should be looking to get those easy singles. They have run the first one quickly and should be looking for two. That is excellent running between the wickets. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Plays and misses. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for four. He is an improved player now. You make a mistake and you pay the price. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. Here is a fielder at deep extra cover. Oh, that must have really hurt. No ball called. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. Wide ball signaled by the umpire.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
The bowler missing his line here, and that's a wide. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series.
Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Bowled in. He has knocked him over.
He is taking a long walk towards the pavilion.
They would definitely have a score in their mind.
They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike. Change in the bowling, pacer being brought back.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Trying to up the run rate there. A very loose shot in the end. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one.
That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Missed that completely. Last ball of the innings coming up. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one.